Willard County Dispatch.
Hey, my friend, this is John Campbell. I got a non-emergency question with the information that nature that. Can you tell me if T. Shane Christensen is a natural-born citizen?
Can I tell you what, sir?
If he was born in America, like Kentucky, like me, you know.
No, I can't give out anybody else's information, sir. That would be a HIPAA violation. I can't give anybody's personal information over the phone.
Okay, so it's a HIPAA violation. I did not know that. Okay.
Now, what you just want to know if he's a citizen? Is
Yeah,
that or
he's a citizen,
no?
yeah.
No, we wouldn't have access to that information anyway. You know, anything of that nature. All we would have here is information like if he was, had a warrant or something like that. We wouldn't have any personal information on somebody like that, sir.
All right, thank you. That's just it. That's all I wanted to know.
All right, sir.
Have a good night. Yeah.
You too.